For years, I struggled with soil that, well, refused to cooperate. Compacted earth, persistent weeds, uneven moisture retention, and poor structure left my garden underperforming, no matter how much compost I added or how carefully I tended it. Then, almost by accident, I discovered a simple solution that changed everything: cardboard. It's cheap, often discarded, and unbelievably effective. What surprised me most wasn't just the results, it was how quickly the soil began to recover. In less than a day, I could see improvements that previously took months of composting, turning and fertilizing. Today, I'll break down why cardboard works so well, the science behind it, and how you can implement this technique immediately to solve stubborn soil problems. Cardboard works because it suppresses weeds while improving soil structure instantly. One of the most frustrating challenges in any garden is weeds. They compete with your plants for nutrients, water and space, slowing growth and complicating maintenance. Cardboard addresses this problem immediately. By laying sheets of corrugated cardboard over soil, sunlight is blocked from reaching weed seeds, preventing them from sprouting. Unlike plastic sheeting, cardboard is breathable, allowing water and air to penetrate. It also begins improving soil structure from day one by retaining moisture and softening compacted layers underneath. In practical terms, gardeners can flatten and moisten cardboard boxes, lay them directly over the beds, and see a reduction in weeds almost immediately, while the soil starts to respond to its new environment. The microbial activity triggered by cardboard accelerates soil recovery faster than compost alone. While compost feeds the soil indirectly by decomposing first in a pile, cardboard works directly where it's laid. Microbes in the soil colonize the cardboard as it begins breaking down, feeding on cellulose and releasing nutrients in place. This really promotes a healthy soil ecosystem almost immediately, improving fertility, aeration and water retention. In my own garden, within 24 hours of applying dampened cardboard to tired beds, I noticed the soil darkening, softening and retaining moisture more efficiently. For modern gardeners, this requires minimal effort. Just select plain corrugated cardboard, remove glossy coatings and tape, flatten it and lay it over the area you wish to improve. Overlapping edges ensures complete coverage and maximizes the effect. Another remarkable benefit is its effect on moisture. Cardboard acts like a sponge, absorbing water from irrigation or rainfall and releasing it slowly into the soil below. This reduces evaporation and ensures consistent hydration for plant roots, even in dry or drought-prone areas. It also protects the soil from erosion caused by heavy rains, keeping topsoil and nutrients in place. Unlike compost, which can wash away if not properly integrated, cardboard remains stable, moderating water movement and improving soil resilience over time. For urban gardeners or those with raised beds, this simple layer can be a game changer, helping soil maintain its integrity while nurturing plant growth. While cardboard alone is powerful, pairing it with mulch, straw, or a light sprinkling of compost accelerates results. Cardboard suppresses weeds and retains moisture, while mulch or compost adds additional organic matter, temperature regulation, and microbial food. Historically, layered organic matter has been used by farmers and gardeners to rehabilitate poor or compacted soil quickly. For practical application, lay dampened cardboard on your soil, then cover it with a thin layer of leaves, straw or compost. Water thoroughly to begin decomposition. Within days, you'll notice soil softening, moisture retention improving, and weeds struggling to emerge. Its flexibility is another reason cardboard outperforms traditional methods in certain scenarios. It can line the bottom or edges of raised beds, act as mulch on garden plots, or even stabilize soil in container gardens. For small urban gardens, cardboard is a practical, accessible solution, making it ideal for gardeners with limited space or resources. Even in hydroponic or semi-soilless systems, cardboard can, serve as a temporary mulch to moderate moisture, prevent algae growth, and provide a slow-release organic component that feeds microbial life. Start by sourcing corrugated plain cardboard, making sure to avoid glossy or heavily printed boxes. Flatten the sheets and lightly moisten them so they, adhere to the soil surface. Lay them down with overlapping edges to ensure full coverage. Then, if you like, cover with a thin layer of mulch, straw or compost. Water thoroughly. Almost immediately you'll notice weeds suppressed and soil retaining moisture more effectively. Over the course of several weeks, the cardboard decomposes, feeding microbes and gradually integrating into the soil, leaving behind rich, soft and fertile earth ready for planting. This approach solves years of soil problems without heavy lifting, constant turning or costly amendments. The cardboard hack, really proves simple solutions often outperform conventional methods. While compost remains valuable for long-term soil fertility, cardboard demonstrates how overlooked, inexpensive materials can produce immediate, high-impact results. By suppressing weeds, improving moisture retention and accelerating microbial activity, cardboard addresses the root causes of poor soil in a way that is both sustainable and efficient. The best part is how accessible it is. Almost every household has boxes waiting to be recycled, and using them in your garden turns waste into a powerful soil-building tool. If you found this guide valuable and want more practical, historically grounded gardening techniques, make sure to subscribe to HydroHaven and share this video with someone who appreciates actionable, effective solutions. These simple, overlooked methods aren't just clever. They're transformative for your soil, your garden, and your ability to grow food sustainably.